Can item girls act? Okay, let's go. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, आज मैं एक म्यूजिक वीडियो रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ on the song See छोड़ देंगे and featuring Nora Fateh, my favorite, everyone's favorite, and Ihan Bhatt. Okay, it's been produced by T Series and sung by Parampara Tandon. Yeah, this time I'm correct. Parampara Tandon. Okay, so the cover looks super amazing, guys. और Nora Fateh को बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Like she looks stunning. Just a moment. So guys, let's watch. So watching on my phone and here I go. And अगर आपने मेरी तरह नहीं देखा and you're watching it for the first time, so let's watch together. So here we go. So let's watch. And watching on my phone. And yeah, I'm super excited क्योंकि I just love Nora Fateh and मेरी उनके लिए एक अलग ही respect है guys क्योंकि the way the struggle that she has gone through and everything, there's like for that there's a huge what's happening, there's a huge respect. And honestly, like I really like her and her dance especially. So let's watch. I'm super excited. So here we go. चलो देखते हैं.
दिल टूटा लेकर मुस्कुरा के चलना सिखा दिया, धोखे ने तेरे हमें संभलना सिखा दिया. ओ मन भर गया है जो हमसे, सारे रिश्ते तोड़ देंगे. जिस दिन आदत बनेंगे उसी दिन ही छोड़ देंगे. ओ मन भर गया है जो हमसे, सारे रिश्ते तोड़ देंगे. जिस दिन आदत बनेंगे उसी दिन ही छोड़ देंगे. हंसने ना देंगे तुम्हें, रोने ना देंगे, पल पल बाद याद आएंगे, सोने ना देंगे. ना यकीन किसी पे भी तुम कभी कर पाओगे, कुछ इस तरह से तुमको दिल ही दिल में तोड़ देंगे. ओ मन भर गया है जो हमसे, सारे रिश्ते तोड़ देंगे. जिस दिन आदत बनेंगे उसी दिन ही छोड़ देंगे. दिल लगाने के लिए चले जाना गैरों की तुम बाहों में, याद मेरी ही आएगी देखोगे जब तुम उनकी निगाहों में. ओ ना छुपा पाओगे तुम आंसू इतने देंगे, दर्द बन के हम तुम्हारे जहन में उतरेंगे. मौत से मिला के तुमको जिंदा ही छोड़ देंगे, हर्ष पे लाके किस्से को हंसी मोड़ देंगे. ओ मन भर गया है जो हमसे, सारे रिश्ते तोड़ देंगे. जिस दिन आदत बनेंगे उसी दिन ही छोड़ देंगे. भर गया है जो हमसे, सारे रिश्ते तोड़ देंगे. जिस दिन आदत बनेंगे उसी दिन ही छोड़ देंगे. मरते हुए को, बिखरते हुए को, तड़पता हुआ छोड़ के, अरे तुम
guys. Okay, and Atom Girls really act? Yes, I think how Nora Fateh has done the acting part in this whole music video, guys. जैसे उन्होंने acting की है in the whole music video of छोड़ देंगे is really commendable, I will say, and like hats off, like wow. And oh my god, the ending, especially the climax of the song छोड़ देंगे, that part just made me a little speechless and a little nervous as well, क्योंकि I am against all this kind of violence and all. मुझे ये सब violence पसंद ही नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत मुझे nervousness हुआ ये देख के, but it was like bang on, and it is something that is like tit for tat. मतलब अगर आपने कुछ like जैसे कर्मी वैसे भरवी, तो I don't know, ये प्रभाव ठीक है ना हिंदी में? To all the Hindi people, or like to all the people who know Hindi, correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, so honestly I will say मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये गाना. Like I really loved it. I'll say the exact timing is like 3 मिनट 8 सेकेंड जो एक टाइम था जहाँ पे you know she was Nora was dancing and मतलब फायर था, तो that part, वो part मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and मुझे goosebumps आ गया honestly देख के. And like जैसे like the way she was like she was dancing, and she was like also doing the lip sync part, she was like acting throughout the whole music video. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे देख के, and it's such a power packed performance, so I loved it. It's 10 on 10 for me. And coming to the lyrical part of the song, guys, it is like wow, I will say. Like मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Like I honestly loved it. And if you ask me, it's like if you are like needing someone, if you like you can want someone but you don't want to be needing that person, like आपको उनकी आदत अगर हो गई, that should not really happen. And if that happens, you should, I think, then the relationship that someone has, then I don't think they're going to experience the same kind of things that they're going to experience. क्योंकि एक आदत अगर आपको लग जाएगा, then I don't think it is good for your health or your partner's health or in any relationships or be it any non-living things. क्योंकि आदत लगनी नहीं चाहिए किसी चीज़ के भी आदत मत लगाओ, क्योंकि अगर लग गया आपको आदत तो छुटाने में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा. So like I try to keep myself, like avoid all those things from which I get along. जैसे कि बिरयानी हो गया. I literally love biryani, but sometimes I'm like no, I'm like that. So whenever my mom comes up with biryani and all, I lock myself up so that मुझे खाना नहीं पड़े biryani. Like I just love the aloo of the biryani and the rice as well, and अंडा तो होता ही है. So like that. So बहुत ही खराब एक आदत है मेरा कि I over it. So उसके कारण मेरा health बहुत खराब हो जाता है उसकी वजह से. So like that, I am like a kind of a food addict, you can say. लेकिन I have to like control and all right now, क्योंकि there are so many stuffs, like I want to lose weight, I want to go for trekking and all, and so many things that are there in life that I want to do. So because of that, so it's for me and for my well-being that आदत लगानी नहीं चाहिए. So बिरयानी हाँ ठीक है 2-3 teaspoon and that's it, लेकिन और नहीं. So like me, you should also not be needing something. If you are, then please take control of it and कोशिश कीजिए कि ये ना हो आपके साथ, किसी के साथ भी. To my TFG family, I'm saying, to any of my viewers who are watching this out there, आदत नहीं लगना चाहिए guys. क्योंकि अगर आदत लग गया, that person or that thing that is there, be it living or non-living, be it any relationship that you're having with anyone, like be it मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब it has to be living, it can be non-living as well. So अगर आपका आदत लग गया, then that thing can really affect you in a different way and can change your life from like and drastically change your life. So on that note, please do take care of this. Aadat mat lagao. And yeah, so I really loved it. And also one more thing, biryani se yaad aaya. I have lost almost around 13 kgs lose kiya from lockdown till now. And if you want to know more about my weight loss journey and everything, do let me know. Do comment in the comment section below. And also I have posted something on my Instagram ID, Emily underscore that fat girl. Go and have a look, and it's a post related to my weight loss journey. So guys, एक बार देख लीजिएगा. अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा प्लीज डू लाइक कीजिए, and yeah, and share as well guys. So it will mean a lot to me and a lot to people, like they can get inspired watching me, क्योंकि I was around 89 kgs and अभी मेरा weight है around something about 76 I guess. 89 13, yeah, 76. So it's 76 and 75.5, 76. So yeah, so it's a small achievement for me. I know कि मुझे बहुत जाना है अभी and I have to lose so much of weight, बहुत ही कमाना है, like गवाना है ना, लेकिन still it's an achievement, small achievement, and I wanted to share it with you guys, and I've shared, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है दिखने में. Like I really am appreciating myself and right now, so I really am proud of myself right now. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and spread some positivity around. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to do, and I love my rib area right now. So ये मेरा goal था, you know, कटरीना कैफ की तरह बस थोड़ा ribs हो जाए. So I wanted to do really 1000% I wanted to do it. So बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में, like little by little it's happening. So yeah, let's see, fingers crossed क्या होता है, देखते हैं. 2021 is full of surprises, and yeah, so hope this year goes well for you guys as well as it is going. Like yeah, I'm happy right now. Like 2 kgs कम हुआ in January, so little by little हो रहा है. So it's like that, and yeah. So coming back to the song, I loved it. It's 10 on 10 for me. और अगर आपने नहीं देखा है, please do go and watch this song. It's on T-Series' YouTube channel. Go and have a look. It's amazing. Noora Fateh was super amazing. And can item girls really act? After watching Noora Fateh, मुझे लगता है yes, they can act, guys. And I think she has a potential to act, to dance, and I think she can really lead. So I think yeah. So on that note, I'm going to close this video for you guys now. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And also share this video if you agree with me, and subscribe कीजिए guys. Please. I really need your support. मैं पहले बोल चुकी हूँ ये चीज़. थोड़ा broken हो गया ना. I need protein. Okay. And one more thing is that like, comment, subscribe, share. चारों बोल दिया ना? Okay. And last but not the least, as I always say, please do stay safe guys, क्योंकि vaccine आ चुका है लेकिन अब तक हम लोगों के पास नहीं आया. So please do stay safe and stay positive as always. अगर if you're facing something and you are not being able to get over it, write it down somewhere. That's what I want to say. So yeah, this is Anuruddha, that bad girl. Bye. Have a great day. Always ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why? I don't know. Bye.